So this is the Lego Friends Heartlake City convenience store. So it's rather small and very colorful. It kind of reminds me of the organic grocery store set. It's kind of similar to that one. So it's a convenience store, and we're also selling like popcorns and pretzels, noodles and stuff like that, which they always like sell in like convenience stores. So I think it's very realistic, except for the plant that's on top of the shelf, because I've never seen a convenience store selling plants before, and I've been to hundreds of convenience stores, of course. So we also have a cart, so it must be a quite big convenience store since it has a cart. So there's also a recycling place. So it's the first time I've seen a cart and a recycling place in a convenience store. But it's very nice. Recycling places are really nice. And having a cart is very nice. And we also have a little basket as well. So this is the Lego Friends convenience store. And thanks for watching. I can't wait to see this set. See you next time. Bye bye.